to write because I like to share stories and about what I do and what I make.
We just read the stuff up there.
What is up there? Tell me.
It's the mousy writing process.
I like to write because it's fun and I can express myself.
I like writing because I get to write about my life or about fictional or nonfiction or just cool stuff like that.
And I really like drawing. I really like drawing pictures and learning a bunch of new words and reading and writing the words.
I like writing stories during writer's workshop.
I like writer's workshop because I can change genres.
Writing gives you a workout on your arm.
I like writer's workshop because I like concentrating on my writing.
It's important to write because you have to write in the future where you have to write bills out and sign your name and just sign up for a job application.
I like writing because it helps you calm your body when you're mad or sad.
I like writer's workshop because we could make our own stories, like scary ones, happy ones, or mythical ones, or something that we did in real life.
I like drawing pictures to write my story. Well, when I write, I get inspired of what I write. In writer's workshop, we're working on spaces and endings. I love writing some words and doing some pictures during writer's workshop. I like drawing pictures and sometimes I label them.
I like to write to express my feelings. I want to be a writer to be a better thinker.
I like writer's workshop because it helps me write in different genres. I like to write about what I learn.
I'm a better writer because I use imagination.
I like writer's workshop because my teacher helps me with some ideas.
I like writing because I can express my emotions.
I'm proud that I can express myself by writing.
I use my imagination when I write.
I'm a good writer because I have finger spaces and exclamation and all of the rest of the periods and that. And I have fingers and I use my friends to help me.
Mr. Castor gives us amazing ideas, and mostly when I write a lot, it's when I'm writing a story. But sometimes I just write a lot because I get carried away with writing.
Miss Brunker told us a hook how to start our stories.
I like it when Mrs. Glucky gives us free choice during writing time.
I like how Miss Washerlewski gives me ideas to help me start with my writing.
I like when Miss Johnson helps me find the words of writing.
I like it when Miss Glucky gives us more than one choice to write about.
I like when Miss Fisher gives me ideas.
Miss Waschkowski helps me write and describe what I'm writing.
I like that Miss Schaub gives us time to brainstorm.
I like when Mrs. Booth puts on calming music so I can focus better when I write.
How Mrs. Everson helps me focus on writing.
I like Mr. Everson because he teaches me how to write in my journal.
I'm proud of the beautiful writing pieces that I make, and Mrs. Bunker helps me with that.
I like when Mrs. Booth reads a story and then I write about it. Miss Dax says nice things to me. Miss Chloe helps us learn the words.
I like that Miss Hamak lets us work quietly and that she lets us do free write.
I like when Mrs. Anderson lets us read our writing.
I like Miss Fisher when she encourages me.
I like when Mrs. Larson gives me goals because you have to work hard for it.
Miss Schwab reads a book and she lets us use our imagination to draw a picture.
I like that Mr. Olson teaches us about the writing process, punctuation, and finger spaces.
I like when Miss Shiloh writes with us on the board.
I'm proud to be a writer.
I'm proud because I'm a better writer.
I am proud to be a good writer.
I like writing stories.
I am proud of being a writer.
I like to be a writer.
I'm proud to be a writer.
I'm proud to be a writer.
I am proud to be a writer.
I'm proud because I like writing a lot of stories.
I am proud to be a writer.
I'm proud to be a writer.
I am proud to be a writer.
I'm proud to be a writer.
I'm proud that I'm a better writer.
I'm proud to be a writer.
I'm proud to be the writer.